Okay, here's the info on the electric power steering we put on our 63 Jeep FC170. Little cab over engine thing Mr. Vedder's building. But so this is the guts of an electric steering column from a 2010 Corolla. And I didn't figure this all out. There's this guy named Waid on YouTube, W-A-I-D, and I just looked at his videos because I was thinking about this, wondering how to make it work, and he had all the info I needed because he's done all the research, so that was pretty cool. So the motor here with the gearbox has two torque sensors that it watches, and when you twist the steering wheel they misalign, and then it applies assist trying to get the torque sensors to align, and so that's how it tells if you're demanding any steering assist or not, is by watching these two sensors that either agree or don't agree, and anytime they don't agree it applies assist. So what we did is you just got a whole Toyota steering column from like LKQ or Midway Auto Parts or whatever. I think this one was like $50 with the module, which is super cheap. So we just gutted the steering column, pulled all the shafts and everything off of it and the tilt mechanism. So we just had just the gearbox. And then this is the old Jeep steering column. We cut it, and we were fortunate enough it just slides right over. Just a nice tap to fit onto this, the aluminum housing there. Just welded up and adapted the the steering rod right here. Then down here just took the U-joint coming out, and again just spliced it in, to the old steering column and cut it going into the steering gearbox. So what this needs to run is a large power and ground there, and then a small power and ground. So you just switch your power. And here, before we do that, okay, here, it doesn't show real good, but it takes some pressure to turn it. So then when the Toyota ones are special in that they don't require seeing the rest of the car on the information network. They just, you hook it up and you heard that clicking, and it takes about 30 seconds, then it figures out that the car is not communicating with that computer. The steering computer isn't communicating with the car computer, and it just goes into default mode and works. And then there we have power assist. You can see it's not straining a lot or anything, and we're sitting at a stop with 34-inch tires, so seems to work pretty good. We'll see what it's like in the real world. Again, if I unhook this, you'll hear it click. And then now we've got no assist. And then hook it up. Give about 30 seconds. No assist. Oh, there it goes. Now it's working. Works really good. So Waid, thanks a bunch. Ian, Ricky, any of you other guys, Luke, you could put this on anything with a 12-volt battery and charging system if you wanted, power steering on your garden tractor. Go for it. Works super slick. This may be my favorite part about this so far. It's just pretty cool.